I got a rough idle and a check engine light. So I had it checked, and I got a Ford Taurus, and it says that I have a bad EGR valve. So I got to get it replaced. Okay, I'm pulling into my neighborhood AutoZone. Okay, I just went out and got a brand new EGR valve. For my car, it's a EGR 218. So, got it at AutoZone. It's $59.99. Got a 10% discount because the box was damaged. So, I'm gonna wait for my car to cool down, then I'll put it on. Okay, the EGR valve is right here. There's two bolts in the back that need to be taken out, and then this thing on the top right here needs to come out, and you can take it out on the side. There's two screws on the back, like I said, but in order to get to it, you got to go down under the bottom here where I put my hand to get to it. So let me get my tools together, then I'll start working on it. Okay, I'm gonna be working tonight on this. That's it right there in the corner. I'm going to go down to the bottom. There's a vacuum line on top, and then around the back, I don't know if you can see one, right in front of you right there, there's two 10 millimeter bolts that need to come out, one on each side. And then there's like a bolt at the bottom that says like 1 1/16. So I might be able to get to it with a adjustable wrench or either a set of pliers. So I'll work with it and then I'll get back with you. But before I do that, I'm going to remove the negative battery cable first. Okay, I'm going to remove this vacuum hose first. Okay, it came right off the top right there. Now I'm going in the back and get the two 10 millimeter bolts. Okay, I had to put some PB Blaster on it. I'm letting it sit, and it's got a lot of rust on it. I'm gonna let it sit on there before I try to break it. So let it sit for a minute, and I'm gonna try to get it off. Okay, here's the part, and the gasket is down below it right there. Okay, it took me a few minutes, but I got the bolt off. You have to turn it to the left to loosen it. Okay, I was able to get the old one off. It took me a few minutes. There's not much space to work back there, but when you put on these off, just be careful. Okay, here's the new one on the left, and the old one on the right. And they both looked about the same. So I'm getting ready to put on the new one.